Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tanya and today I'll be sharing with you how I keep myself groomed during this quarantine period, and even if not this quarantine period, but if I have to go somewhere on the urgent basis, how I do it and how I keep myself groomed. So without further blabbering, let's just get into the video. So to groom myself, I only use two products. First is this razor and the second is this trimmer. So this trimmer, I bought it off recently from like a month or so back from Amazon, and it works really amazingly for my eyebrows and for the upper lips. I don't shave my face till yet, but soon I'll be doing that, and I'm just thinking of doing it with you guys, so let's just wait for that. So moving on, I have been shaving since a very long time because of the photo shoots and all. I have to do it on very urgent basis. So I used to use the Gillette Venus razor, and it is pretty good, but it is also expensive. It's not that expensive, but the blades that comes along with it just comes with one blade, and it gets expensive when you have to use it regularly, and the blades are also very expensive if you have to buy them apart from the razor. So this particular razor, I bought it from Miniso, I guess. It's like 2-3 months back. I bought it from there, and it comes for only under 200 or 250 rupees, I guess. And also the good thing about it is it comes with extra 5 blades. So it's a really great deal. I have been using this one for 2 months, and I have just used one blade that came along with it, and the other one I have used it from here. So I've just used 2 blades in 2 to 3 months, and it works pretty well. So how do I know the blade is not usable now? Actually, the strips that comes along with it, they get off from it, and then I know that I don't have to use it anymore and it won't work well. So yeah, that's when I stopped using this, and it is so easy to remove and apply. I'll just show you guys. So all you have to do is just remove it like this. All you have to do is pull it here and there, and it will get removed. And how you have to apply a new one, you just have to remove it from here, and then you have to attach the upper side on this upper side, and just try to just see and try to attach it.
A few moments later.
So that's how you do it, and it's done. All you have to do is now shave yourself. So how I use it is, whenever I go into the shower, I just use it as it is. I don't use any shaving cream because I have used it, but it didn't work that well for me. It wasn't able to remove like the tiniest part of it. So I also tried using conditioner, as I saw many videos that people use conditioner on their legs and on hands, and then they start gliding it off, but even that didn't work well. So what I do, I just get myself wet. I exfoliate my skin by using a scrub, or sometimes if I'm in hurry, I just use the loofah that I shower with. So I just use that, I wash myself off, and then I start using this. So all you have to do is, if it is your hand, I'll show it on my hand. So all you have to do is just shave in the opposite direction of your hair growth. So yeah, as you will do that, you will see that hair will start coming off. I haven't shaved my hair since a long time because it's quarantine and I have nowhere to go. So I am doing it on and off basis. Similarly, on your legs or any other part of your body, on your stomach or any other part of your body, you have to shave on the opposite side of the hair growth. Also, busting the myth, I have been using it since 1 to 2 years or maybe more than that, and there is no difference in my hair growth. It comes same. The only part that people say it comes out thick is because you don't remove the hair from the roots. You just remove it from the upper part, and when it grows back, the thicker part that remains on the skin layer, that comes out. And that is why people believe that the hair comes out thick, but it is not like that. It is just a myth, and you don't have to believe it. So yeah, let's come to the second thing. So this is a really great tool. It is so handy, so compact. You can take it while you are traveling. So all you have to do is you have to insert a cell in it. and then you close it, and here is the button that you have to turn on and off. So I generally use it for my upper lips part, not for the eyebrows part, because then I don't know how precisely I have to do this and I might end up like removing the hair. So all you have to do is open the button and start rotating it in small circular motions, and it actually works. You won't feel a thing. It's just a little bit tinginess you'll feel where the hair is longer, but otherwise you won't feel anything. And how you have to remove it is you just have to take the cap off and then this blade off. So this is the blade that is inserted in this and which removes the hair. So I haven't done anything, so there is no hair that I can show you because I recently trimmed off the upper lips part. Otherwise, other than that, there is nothing you have to do. You just have to on it and just slowly keep rotating it. So when you do it while watching yourself in the mirror, you will actually see how it pulls out the hair. That's it for this thing. I also sometimes use it for this part, but it really doesn't work that well because these hair are really fine, and so it doesn't really work for that. So that is a con for this thing. Otherwise it works great. I always keep it with me, so if I have to, I remove my hair. Now comes to the eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I generally go to the parlors for this, but just in case I have to remove it, I use this what do we call it? The plucker. So I use this thing and I remove the hair from the bottom part, not from the upper part, because for upper part I generally use this. So all the three products really work, and I will link in the description box if you want this thing. It's really great, guys. You should have this. I am very happy since I've had this. I generally get so much pain when I go for threading, but now I have stopped going for threading to parlors for my upper lip because I remove it from this thing, not from the thread part, because it pains a lot. It actually pains me a lot. And even for the eyebrows I would do the same, but it gets very difficult to remove the eyebrows from this. So that is why I am just planning on getting that razor for shaving our face, and with that only I am thinking of removing the extra hair from my eyebrows. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Do comment below if you have any query or anything, and do follow me on Instagram. So if you have any queries, just DM me there. I will definitely make sure to resolve your query or any question you have. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this video, and also press the bell button so that you stay updated with all my upcoming videos.